Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that frustration. This isn't just any tracker. It's your ultimate solution for keeping tabs on your most valuable items, making it one of the best electronics for 2025. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's exclusive precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy. Imagine a visual guide on your iPhone, showing the exact distance and direction. No more aimless searching. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just one tap near your iPhone, and it's instantly paired and ready to go. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, these trackers are built to withstand everyday adventures, from accidental splashes to dusty trails. It seamlessly integrates with Apple's Find My network, tapping into hundreds of millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your AirTag even if it's far away. If you're wondering if the Apple AirTag is worth buying, absolutely. You can grab this essential 4-pack right now via the Amazon link in the description below. It's a small investment for massive peace of mind, especially considering the value of what you'll protect. Stop losing sleep over lost items. The Apple AirTag is the smartest way to keep track of everything important to you in 2025.